Magandang araw sa inyo lahat guys. Panoorin at pakinggan natin ang resignation ni Vice President Sara Duterte as DepEd Secretary. At kung kayo'y mga baguhan pa lamang sa aking channel guys, pagpindot lamang ang subscribe button at notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa mga bagong videos na ina-upload ko sa aking channel sa YouTube. Intro muna tayo guys.
What's up guys? Welcome to my vlog. Welcome to our generic channel.
You're my sweetest addiction. You're my strongest inspiration.
Earlier today, June 19, 2024, I sought an audience with the President and tendered my resignation as the Secretary of Education effective July 19, 2024. I have given my 30-day notice to ensure the proper and orderly transition for the benefit of the next Secretary. Mga kababayan, ang aking pagbibitiw ay hindi lulan ng kahinaan, kundi dala ng tunay na malasakit para sa ating mga guro at kabataang Pilipino.
Thank you for watching guys. Just click on my YouTube channel, Al Johnny Rick.